Hi guys! As you can see in the thumbnail, sa videong ito, malalaman mo on how to create album and upload photos sa iyong Facebook page using your mobile phone. So make sure to watch the whole video. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe naman dyan. Alright, so let's start after this intro. Alright, so create na tayo ng album para sa ating Facebook page. Instead na mag-direct tayo sa Facebook app, go to Google Chrome. So click mo to. And then type facebook.com. Then click go. By the way, kung hindi ka pa nakalagin, so login ka muna sa iyong Facebook account. So kung nakalagin ka na, so tap the 3 lines, okay, at the top right portion, okay. So click mo to, and then click mo ang pages, and then i-click mo yung page kung saan gusto mong gumawa o mag-create ng album. So itong page na to for this tutorial. But before ka maka-create ng album, okay, so make sure na i-click mo muna itong switch profiles, okay, nandyan sa itaas guys, okay, makikita mo switch profiles. So click mo muna yan. And then, select the page kung saan gusto mo mag-create ng album, okay? For this tutorial, ito ang pipiliin ko, guys. Itong gift shop ko na page. Okay, so once you're here, click mo ito, guys. Ito, guys, nasa gilid, guys. Click mo ang photos. Then, you're ready now to create album. Tap this one, create album. Put your album name. For this tutorial, so ito, gift items yung ilalagay ko guys. Click mo, create album. Ayan, so may album ka na guys. Now, it's time to upload photos sa iyong album. Tap this one, add a photo. Then go to files. Okay, so click mo ito. Then hanapin mo yung photo na i-upload mo. And then, ipopost ko itong, for example, this enchanted rose. Okay, click this. And then, write something about these photos. Ilagay mo yung caption mo, or it is optional. Okay, so before mo i-post, kung may i-add ka pang another photos, click mo itong add photos. Kung i-remove mo naman, so click mo itong X. Kung mag-add ka ng photos, ito, i-click mo to guys. Go to gallery. Then, click this check. Okay? So before mo ipo-post, kung gusto mo lagyan ng location, o for example, may shop ka, no? So gusto mo ilagay yung specific location mo, pwede mo i-add location dito. O i-search mo dito, i-type mo dito yung location mo. For example, for me, Iligan City. So click ko to guys, alright? And then pwede mo rin lagyan ng feeling or activity. But it's up to you, it's optional guys. Hindi necessary na lagyan mo. For example, feeling in love, no? Kasi Valentine's gift yan, di ba? And so after that, pwede mo nang i-post. So, click post. Alright, so this time, i-check ko na kung na-post ba talaga yung in-upload kong photos dito sa album na create ko para sa aking Facebook page. So, refresh mo muna yung page mo. And then, click mo itong post. Alright, so ito guys. So, na-post na yung in-upload ko kanina. Ganon lang kadali guys, no, ang mag-create ng album at mag-upload ng photos sa iyong Facebook page using your mobile phone. Alright, so yun lang guys for this tutorial. If you learned from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below kung nakatulong sa iyo ang videong ito. You can share this video to your friends para makatulong din sa kanila itong tutorial na ito. Thanks for watching guys. God bless and enjoy life!